to 3.5 Minutes Conversational Grammar. Today, we're hitting the streets to learn how to ask for and give directions with confidence. We'll explore essential phrases and imperatives that will help you find your way anywhere you go. Ready to navigate like a pro? Let's get started.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the post office. Do you know where it is?
Sure, it's 2 blocks from here. Straight on, that way.
Thanks. Excuse me, I'm looking for the post office. Do you know where it is?
Oh, that's not too far. Turn right on this street. Go past the bank and left on the next street.
Oh, okay, thanks. Excuse me. Is the post office anywhere around here?
The post office? No, it isn't. I'm afraid you're in the opposite direction. Go back 3 blocks down this road. Then turn left and again left. No, wait. First right and then left.
Never mind. I'll ask again when I get there. Thanks. I'm sure I've passed this place before. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm looking for the post office. Do you know where it is?
Why, the post office? It's right over there, across the street.
What?
Imperatives are essentially verbs that give commands. They can be affirmative or negative. In the affirmative, imperatives are formed with a base verb. For example, go, turn, or cross. In the negative, we simply add don't before the base verb, saying don't go, don't turn, and don't cross. Imperatives are straightforward and help guide actions efficiently. Some common directional phrases include go straight ahead to continue forward, turn left, or turn right to change direction. Go across the street to reach the other side, or go back if you need to retrace your steps. Here's how it works in practice. Go straight until you reach the library, then turn right. Or cross the road and turn left at the second traffic light. These phrases make giving and receiving directions clear and simple, so you'll always find your way. Let's practice. Repeat. Excuse me. I'm looking for the train station. Do you know where it is? Go straight ahead. Don't go that way. Turn left at the second traffic light. In today's 3.5 minutes journey, we covered essential imperatives and directional language to help you ask for and give directions smoothly. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed navigating with us, like and subscribe for more episodes with English Express Fun Learning.